Hi all, welcome to my channel Simple Fundas. Today we are going to discuss how to do average and AutoSum in Excel. Earlier we have already discussed how to do addition or summation, subtraction, maximum, minimum and count functions in Excel. Today we are going to discuss average and AutoSum. So in order to achieve average, we can do both ways. Either click on empty cell, go to insert function, type here average. Simply click go. All the words which starts with average, it will come here. Select average. Then you wanted to do you wanted to check average for the first 5 rows. So simply go to this number 1, click on number 2, click on number 3, click on number 4, and click on number 5. Click OK. It will give us average. Let's shift it here. So this is how we do average. Now you wanted to select or drag it. You can click, simply type equal to, click on first cell. I'm sorry. Just press escape if you wanted to remove these things. Equal to average. Select average from the drill down. Press tab. It will give you the start bracket. Then select all those values which you wanted to check for average. So I wanted to check for first 5 rows. Then click enter. It will give you the same number which we got earlier for these. So the average of these first 5 numbers is 1695. So this way we can attain the average. Now if you wanted to do AutoSum, so you just click here equal to sum, tab, click on the column which you wanted to do, which you wanted to check for summation. Click enter. So it will give you all the value which is available in this column E, units sold. So this is the number of units sold for the for all segments. So this is how we attain the AutoSum function. In next videos, we'll discuss more functions. We'll discuss more function how can we attain in Excel. Till then, happy learning, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can be updated with the upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching.